This is for exercise 10.6 from Methods Pathways. We're going to look at conditional probability questions. So the scenario is we have a 16-sided die with numbers 1 to 16 rolled. The following events are defined. A, B, the number rolled is less than 9, so 1 to 8 basically, so it doesn't include 9. And number rolled is a multiple of 3 for event B. Okay, so event A would encompass the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and event B would encompass multiple of 3, so 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay, and what's left over is on the outside. So draw a Venn diagram to show this information. So I'm going to draw a Venn diagram. Put the E symbol. Okay, we've got event A, we've got event B. Now, what do these two events have in common? Because we know they're not mutually exclusive. We know that 3 is in common, 6 is in common, and I believe that's it. Okay, so 3 and 6 go in the middle. Okay, what's left over in A? 1, 2, 4, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 7, 8. And B, what's left over? 9, 12, 15. 9, 12, 15. And whatever's left over goes on the outside. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. So what are we trying to find? We're trying to calculate, based on the Venn diagram, the probability that the number rolled is less than 9, given that's a multiple 3. So I'm going to highlight the given part, because that's what our sample space is now. Okay, so this is our new sample space. So our sample space is no longer the whole Venn diagram. It's just given that's multiple 3. So given that it is multiple 3 means event B. Okay, given B, so I'm going to highlight B. We're only just, so this is our universe now. Given B, so given B, what is the, so part 2, given B, what is the probability that it's less than 9? So out of B, how many numbers do I have in B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of 5, which is our total now, our new total now, we've got 2 numbers, so 3 and 6, which are less than 9, so you go 2 out of 5. Part 3 says, given that for conditional probability questions, you always look at the given part first, okay? Because that tells you what your total is. Given that the number is less than 9, so given number is less than 9, so we're looking at the A circle. So I'm going to use a highlighter. I'll do. So given A, so that's A. That's the whole of A. And there's 2, 4, 6, 7 numbers there. A, given A, 2, 4, 6, 7 numbers. Out of 7 numbers, we can see that only 2 out of 7. Okay. The big part is the total, because our total depends on what's given to us, what information we know that reduces our sample size. So our total is not it would normally be, because that given, the magic word given, tells us that we're not looking at the whole 16 numbers anymore. We're just looking at the numbers that are in A or in B. Okay, which is why we got 5 and 7. Okay, you're just counting what we want in the space given. Now for part B, that's part A. For part B, let's draw a Venn diagram. Okay, we want A's greater than 5. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16. And B is a prime number. So a prime number is a number that can only divide itself by itself, and 1. So 1 is a prime number, 2 number, 4 is not a prime number because 4 can go into 2. 5 is a prime number, 6 isn't, 7 is, 8 isn't, 9 isn't, 10 isn't, 11 is, 12, 14 isn't, 15 isn't, 16 isn't. Okay, so that's it. Alright, what do we have? Let's check what we have in common, because that affects our Venn diagram. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 5, and 13. And 7 as well. 7 as well. So, let's draw the Venn diagram. We got A, B, and we know that 7, 11, and 13 7, 11, and 13 are common in both A and B. And in A we've got, I should circle it so I don't get mixed up, 13, 7, 11, 13. Okay, so let's continue. So in A we've got 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, and 16 up the top. And then in B we've got 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. We'll have, okay, we've got 1, we've got 2, we've got 3, we don't have 4. We have 5, we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so we're just missing a 4. Okay, so let's do the given part, right? Given that number, so given B, so we only look at B only. B has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So B has 6 numbers. What is the number greater than 5? So we have 3 numbers out of the 6 that are greater than 5. Oh, that's a half. Part 2, given greater than 5. Okay, so we're looking at the A circle, the whole of the A circle. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 11. Got 11 numbers. What's the probability that it's a prime number? Okay, so out of A, the prime numbers are 7, 11, and 13. So it's 3 out of 11. Okay, so conditional probability doesn't have to be hard. You just need to know what the given